I basically do not review any of my AI-generated code manually. There's just too much of it to look at. Instead, I get AI to do it for me. I'm thrilled to introduce this course on AI code review built in partnership with Qodo and taught by Nnenna Ndukwe. You learn how to use AI code review agents in your software development workflow, and you also build your own code review agents to better understand how these systems work under the hood. In my own use of AI to review code, I've found security loopholes that I'm glad we fixed, architectural issues, and AI code review has made my code significantly better.
Thanks, Andrew. Over my collaboration with many software teams, I've noticed several best practices that make the AI code review more effective. And in this course, we're going to learn them by working on different examples that compare before and after of applying each best practice. Many of us make the most use out of the tools when we have a basic understanding of how they work. So in the second part of the course, we'll build a small AI code review agent so we get to learn what goes on under the hood of code review agents. This also helps us better understand some of the best practices by seeing how they impact the agent's understanding of code being reviewed.
If AI is helping you and your team write more code, which I hope it is, this course will help you make sure the review process keeps up so you can move faster while maintaining code quality. Using AI to review code is an important skill for every developer. I hope you enjoy the course.